I'm Edward Clint. I'm a graduate student in the neuroscience department at the University of Illinois. I'm in the Rhodes lab, and I am involved in a collaborative project with UCLA and UC Merced studying COVID-19. We now have effective and available vaccines, and that's a wonderful thing. We hope everybody gets vaccinated quickly. But there are the people who are still suffering with COVID-19 and unfortunately will suffer in the future. As of today, more than 31 million Americans have been infected with this illness. And when people get sick with COVID-19, they take a variety of actions and remedies. They use over-the-counter medications, they take vitamins and supplements, they just do many things. And right now, we really don't have a great idea what the effects of all these are. Some are going to help with the symptoms and long-term prognoses. Some will have the opposite effect, and some will have no effect at all. And the only way for us to find out which is to ask people who have or have had COVID-19, so we can try and sort out what these effects are, and that will help us to help people in the future. The way our survey works, we have essentially two components. One is an online survey for people who have recovered from their COVID-19 illness. The other part is as a smartphone app, and that's for people who currently, at the time of participation, still have COVID-19. Both surveys inquire about many categories of common things that people do or take when they're ill with COVID-19. And that includes, for example, over-the-counter medications, prescription medications, vitamin and mineral supplements, dietary changes, homeopathy. Although within those categories, we do have some very open-ended questions too, so people can tell us about things we might not have thought of ourselves. I hope that the general public cares about the research that we're doing, partly because it can impact the future costs that society will pay for COVID-19. There's also a chance that what we learn won't be restricted to just COVID-19. It might help us to understand the effects of treatments on other coronaviruses or other infectious illnesses that we deal with much more commonly and regularly, like seasonal influenza, for example. To really understand COVID-19 well, we need a lot of people to help us. There are many permutations of this illness. So if you have had COVID-19 in the past, or if you have it right now, please participate in our survey, come to our website, download the app, and tell us about your experiences and help us learn more about this devastating illness.